Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Coinbase app to buy Bitcoin. First, download the Coinbase app from your App Store and create a new account. You'll need to complete identity verification, which is a crucial step for security and regulatory compliance. Finally, link a payment method, like your bank account or a debit card, to fund your future purchases. This setup process is straightforward and ensures a secure trading environment. Once your account is set up, you'll need to add funds. Go to the Add Cash or Deposit section within the app. Select your preferred linked payment method and enter the amount you wish to deposit. For example, you might deposit $100. Review the details carefully, then confirm the transaction to transfer these funds securely into your Coinbase wallet, making them ready for your first purchase. Now, let's buy some Bitcoin. Tap the Buy button and select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You can enter the amount you want to spend in US dollars, for instance, $25, or specify a certain amount of Bitcoin. The app will show you the current price and any associated fees. Always review these order details thoroughly before you confirm your purchase. After your purchase, you can easily manage your Bitcoin. Your portfolio will display your current Bitcoin balance and a detailed transaction history. Many users find it beneficial to set up recurring buys, perhaps weekly or monthly, to employ a dollar-cost averaging strategy. You can also explore options for sending Bitcoin to another wallet or receiving Bitcoin from others, all within the secure Coinbase app.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.